Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by parking the Mazda CX-5 on level ground, shift to park, and turn the ignition off to avoid accidental operation. Open the rear hatch and locate the wiper arm at the top center of the rear glass. Gather a 10 mm socket, a small flat screwdriver or trim tool, and a replacement rear wiper blade about 12 inches long. Work with gloves to protect paint and have a clean rag to set the removed parts on so they do not scratch the glass. With the hatch open and the arm accessible, gently lift the rear wiper arm away from the glass until it is upright. Do not overextend the spring. Pry off the small plastic cap covering the retaining nut using the flat screwdriver. Use the 10 mm socket to loosen and remove the nut. Set the nut and cap aside together. While supporting the arm, lift it slightly off the spline shaft and depress the blade's spring clip to unhook the old blade. Then slide the worn blade downward. Slide the new blade onto the arm's connector until you hear the spring clip snap into place. Confirm the blade's orientation matches the old one. Reseat the wiper arm onto the spline shaft, reinstall the 10 mm nut and tighten until snug. Do not over-torque. Then press the plastic cap back over the nut. Lower the arm gently to the glass and start the vehicle's accessory mode to cycle the rear wiper once or twice, checking for full sweep, good contact. No chatter and no streaking. Adjust or replace the blade if performance is poor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.